Hello champions, George Duarte here from the Georgie's Live Cooking Show. Today is a special day. If you guys can see that guy right there. Today is October 3rd, 2019, and it's my sous chef's birthday, Jaiden Anthony Murphy.
Happy birthday, Jaiden.
Happy birthday, man.
Woohoo!
So here we got Jaiden here with his favorite. There's his brother right there. That's his brother, and that's his sister.
Sister, brother.
And that's his dad. Their dad.
Tony Murphy.
Abby's the pappy.
So guys, just want to do a quick video today. Special day for my nephew, who's what's your age today?
7.
You're 7 today? That's awesome. And being 7, what grade you in, brother?
Wait, can I have another slice of pizza?
You in what you in?
Second.
2nd grade?
And
And what we got here is one of Jaiden's favorite meals, right? Right, Jaiden?
pizza. Yeah, and we were Uncle George just paused the Marshmallow song, which is his favorite song. Cowabunga, dudes.
Jaiden, sit down, please.
All right.
There's Jeremiah. He's got a birthday coming up on the 14th.
Yeah, and don't forget my little brother Eli. He also has a birthday on October.
Malay has her brother's birthday's tomorrow, right?
Yeah, on October.
Tomorrow's October 4th, right? So guys, we just want to do a quick video. We got Jeremiah. He's tearing up his pizza. Say Jeremiah. Say hi to the people.
Me too.
Jeremiah. Jay. Hello.
Jerry.
Jeremiah. Say hi. That's awesome. So you think it's actually a video, man. So when he takes what Jeremiah does when you say take a picture, he says cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Let me, Daddy.
Cheese.
His
Right?
legs like a mitten.
So okay, so Jaiden, any sir, could you
You should say happy birthday.
Oh, there you go. Yep.
So we're gonna sing happy birthday to Jaiden, and then we're gonna close out the video.
Come on, man. Get from under the table. Do another slice.
Yes, please.
All right, here we go.
Wait.
Oh, wait a minute. See what, brother? See what? What you want to see?
Yes. All right.
Oh, thank you.
Cheese.
Yep.
What you see, brother? Oh, the balloons? Those are the balloons, Jaden's balloons. Uh-oh.
But for some reason, you put a pumpkin on.
So we got the
Wait,
pumpkin.
because Halloween is
We
coming.
got the pumpkin.
Yeah,
And then we got the
Halloween is
happy birthday balloon there.
So,
Ready?
Yes.
oh, don't even like
Yes.
I swear, if you burn the house down, I'm gonna.
Yes.
This is gonna be.
We're gonna go ahead and
Oh!
Woohoo!
Here we go.
Jaiden!
Boy, that's hot. I don't like that.
No, let her hurt.
Hold it.
Relax. See,
Relax.
stop her TT
Relax.
Happy birthday to you. Let her hurt.
Hold it.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaiden. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! All right. Cool candles.
Ooh.
What the?
Nice.
Yay.
That was really scary.
What are you smelling, brother?
Smelling my pizza.
It's good.
If it's burnt,
Bruh.
it's not burnt.
That only took 5
No, because of the
seconds.
sparkles.
That
It's not
only
burnt.
took 5 seconds.
Sit down, please.
All right, any final thoughts before we close out the cooking show there, Jeremiah? I mean, Jaiden, you're Jaiden. That's Jeremiah right here.
Yeah. Hey
That's
guys,
Jeremiah.
have an
Yes.
awesome day.
Yes.
Cowabunga!
All right.
Fired up, brother.
All right.
All right, guys, until tomorrow, I'm George Duarte from George's Live Cooking Show. We'll be back at you tomorrow with our live cooking show. You guys are awesome. God bless.
Yes.
Make sure you share this video, like this video. Also, make sure you go to www.sauceforme.com. Put your name and email in. Put your name and email and get 7 free recipes. Also, go below this video or above this video or to the right or to the left of this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You guys are awesome. God bless.
Subscribe.
Till tomorrow. Fire it up.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Bye.